You know what's funny? People still think malware looks like those old fake viruses from 2009. A red skull pops up, your screen flashes, and some dramatic voice goes, "Your computer is infected."
Am I doing this right? Should I update my software?
Nah, modern malware doesn't announce itself. It hides quietly and watching. Your browser suddenly feels slower, your fans spin for no reason, random pop-ups appear at 2 a.m. like your PC is possessed. And the worst part, most people blame Windows. Meanwhile, some sketchy crypto miner is sitting in the background, using your GPU harder than you use it. That's the terrifying thing about malware. Sometimes you don't even know it's there. And this is exactly why tools like Tron became legendary in the Windows repair world. Not because it's magic, but because Tron treats infected systems like a crime scene. It doesn't just run one scan and call it a day. It goes through your system piece by piece, like a digital cleanup crew that's seen things. And trust me, the moment you open the GitHub page, you immediately realize this thing was not built for casual users. It was built by people who got tired of fixing broken Windows machines manually, over and over again. So instead of repeating the same boring repair process forever, they automated the chaos. And honestly, that's what makes Tron dangerous. Because under the hood, it's basically a giant scripted workflow for repairing, disinfecting, debloating, patching, and optimizing Windows. But here's the reality check nobody tells you. If malware reaches rootkit level, or ransomware encrypts your files, you're already in survival mode. At that point, even the best cleanup tool on earth might not fully save you. You need a fresh start because ransomware doesn't care about your family photos, it doesn't care about your thesis, it locks everything, and leaves you staring at your desktop like, yeah, I should have backed things up. Which is why experienced sysadmins say something beginners hate hearing: backups are more important than antiviruses. Because malware removal is recovery, backups are insurance. Now, assuming your system isn't completely cooked, this is where Tron enters the battlefield. Stage 0 is prep or preparation, because malware loves unstable systems. So Tron starts shutting down unnecessary junk, killing suspicious processes, creating restore points, basically securing the environment before the cleanup starts. Then comes the temp clean. Temp files, caches, broken leftovers, years of digital garbage hidden inside Windows. And this is where people realize something horrifying. Their PC wasn't slow, it was buried alive. Tron clears browser junk, old logs, temporary files, leftover update garbage, stuff Windows has been collecting like a hoarder with unlimited storage. Then it moves into debloat mode. And honestly, this part feels personal. Because Tron starts removing all those useless OEM applications manufacturers force into laptops. Random trial software, fake optimization tools, apps nobody asked for. Half your RAM suddenly gets liberated like prisoners escaping jail. Then comes the real war, disinfection. And here's something most beginners don't understand. Professional malware cleanup is layered. One antivirus is never enough. Different engines detect different threats. Some are better with spyware, others catch Trojans, others focus on behavior analysis. That's why Tron chains together multiple specialized scanners during cleanup instead of trusting one ultimate antivirus. It uses tools like Malwarebytes, Kaspersky, McAfee, and each one attacks the system differently. It's basically malware getting jumped from every direction, but here's the important part. Tron isn't meant to replace your brain. And that's where beginners mess up. They download Tron, run it blindly, then panic when they see command windows exploding everywhere like a hacker movie. This tool expects you to understand at least some basics. Even the community warns that if you don't understand what it's doing, you probably shouldn't touch it. Because this isn't a shiny utility. This is a technician-grade repair workflow. After cleanup, Tron starts repairing Windows itself, corrupted system files, damaged components, broken updates. It attempts to repair all of it. Then, it patches Windows and updates critical components, because running outdated software in 2026 is basically putting a giant target on your system. And finally, optimization, it like disk cleanup, page file reset, performance tuning, defragging HDDs, but intelligently skipping SSDs, because modern drives don't need that abuse. And after hours of cleanup, yeah, hours, not minutes, you're left with something beautiful. A Windows system that finally feels breathable again. No weird startup behavior, no mystery lag, no random CPU spikes from the depths of hell, just silence. And honestly, that silence feels suspicious at first, because you forgot what a healthy Windows machine sounded like. Now, should everyone use Tron? No, absolutely not. If you don't understand what system tools are doing, you can make things worse. But if you work with Windows systems, fix computers, or just enjoy understanding how malware cleanup actually works, Tron is fascinating. Not because it's one-click magic, but because it shows you something deeper. Real cybersecurity isn't flashy. It's maintenance, repair, recovery, and understanding systems. If this video hit different, I show up twice a week, don't miss it. Subscribe, like, share, and comment down below. I will see you in the next one.